It's me, Penguin Gamer 2010. Again, I'm sorry I have not made a video in a while, but finally we are back, and I have this really cool new game, Grayland. So, let's see what this is all about. Alright. Ooh. Oh no! No! He got a gun. He's the imposter. Don't you dare shoot. If you shoot him, I'm gonna be mad. Ah! Why did you shoot him? Oh. Well, apparently the bird has died. I guess that's the end. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this. Okay. Okay. I get it. Can I not do it? Oh, alright. I'm gonna have to put my camera in the middle. I might exit out later. Oh, yay. She left trails behind? Ah. I'm flying in midair without actually flying. Cool. Okay, so I'm filling up my health, really. Oh, yeah. Cool. Guess. Okay, alright, I'll avoid them. Oh, what's that? More life? Oh! Oh, yay! Yeet! Yay, I got poopy. Oh gosh, this is weird. Alright, I think my camera is making the game a little more laggy, so I'm just gonna stop my camera. Play the game without it. Sure. Okay. That seems to make it a little less laggy. Oh yeah, that's much less laggy. It's way less laggy, bro. Okay, well, let's go for it. Seems pretty normal. Oh, Grayland. Alright, let's go. Whee! Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Dude. Let me go poopy on chicken. Yeah. Go down, go around. And yeet. Okay, so for this one, Yay! What? That's a big boy back there. Oh, gosh. What was that? What is this game? What is this game anymore? Seems normal. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, nothing. I was expecting to see something really crazy, strange happen, or something like that. I guess it's a normal field now. Oh, a cat. Yay. Hi, kitty. Okay, look around. Oh, I get it. Yeet. Boys. hurry up. What is this game? Uh-oh. Nope. Bomb him. Bomb him. Bomb him. I said bomb him. There. Stop. What's this? Oh, he don't look up here. I need him to look down. Okay, this is strange. Yeah, boys. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna make a part 2, but I guess I'll see you guys next time. See ya.